Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily if you guys are new here. And for today's video, I'm doing another unboxing video. I know that they've been kind of back to back, but this has been planned for some time. So it's just the way that like my little schedule is right now. The laptop was planned, but like it wasn't planned for the timing of me unboxing it, if that makes sense. This is planned because it always comes out around this time of year. And what I'm talking about is the new iPhone that just came out. I am going to be unboxing my new iPhone, and I'm really excited about it. So if you guys are excited about seeing this new unboxing video, then just keep watching. All right, so the iPhone that I got this time around was the iPhone 13 Pro. Originally, I wanted and was going to get the 13 Pro Max, but I went a little too quickly throughout pre-order, and I accidentally clicked the Pro, which is fine. It's no biggie. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Like I said, these things come out every year, as you guys know. Do I need to get it every single year a new phone comes out? No. Did I want to? Yes. I mostly, if I'm being honest, I mostly love upgrading because of the camera quality. There really is a big difference when it comes to the camera quality almost every single year. And unless you consistently take pictures on your phone or videos or anything like that, it's not going to be a big deal, and it may not even be noticeable to you, the changes that comes with each iPhone. But personally, that is one of the biggest reasons why I get it. And then obviously along with all of the other cool features as well. So I am just going to show you guys the unboxing quickly, and then I'm going to come back and talk to you guys a little bit more about the phone itself and some of the new changes to it. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So that was the unboxing. What did you guys think? Like I said, I got the Pro, and she is such a beauty. Look at her. I love this color. It's like so freaking pretty. It's the Sierra blue color, but like, I don't know, I get like bluey, purpley, grayish vibes from it, and I really, really like it. Sorry for the glare, but I just love this color. So yeah, I'm really excited about this new phone. Okay, so just like last year, and I'm pretty sure the year before that, the way that I basically did my upgrade this year was through the iUp plan, which is ultimately it's the iPhone upgrade program, which I do 24 monthly payments in order to pay off the phone, and that it is mine. That enables me to be able to upgrade every single year whenever a new phone comes out, and so long as the phone that I have is not damaged, then it is basically like a fair trade. So I did that. I got Apple Care and Theft and Lost. I got the 512 gigabyte memory. I think the one above that would have been 1 terabyte if I remember correctly. And like, I know a lot of people are gonna be like, oh my god, who needs that much space? I need that much space, guys. I take so many pictures, and yes, granted, on Instagram or whatever the case is, I only end up using, let's say, a total of max like 5, but I still end up keeping like a handful of the other ones that we got either to recycle posts later on, or just other ones that I liked and I just didn't post about. So I do have a lot of pictures. We take a lot of pictures. I have a lot of videos and stuff like that. And every time I would get a new phone before that, I would get the 256, and my space would always be taken up quickly. So that's why I got that. I'm excited to go through all the new cool features, and with that comes the fact that the new phone is supposed to come with an A15 processing chip, which is just supposed to make the system go a little faster, which is always nice. You know, nobody wants a slow phone. Nobody wants slow product in general. So I'm really excited about that. This phone, compared to the one that I have now, has a bigger battery pack, which is also supposed to give the battery longer lasting life, and it's also supposed to help charge it faster, so that's exciting. That's just a really good thing for me and anybody to have, really. I'm really excited about the picture quality getting even better than the last one is. Not to toot our own horns, but I think usually when we shoot our pictures on our iPhones, I think the picture quality is really great as it is, but the picture quality is supposed to be even better with that. And now that the holidays are rolling around and it gets darker quicker and stuff, it's really exciting to know that the quality with exposure and whatnot has gotten a lot better, because then that means when it gets dark, we can still take really great pictures even in spite of the fact that it's dark, and the picture quality should still be just as good, if not better. I'm also really interested and excited about that new magnifier feature, which is ultimately just, you know, when you zoom in or when you get really close to a subject that you're shooting on your phone, it's not supposed to get like hazy or anything like that. You know, when you zoom too much and you're super zoomed in, but you still want to see really good quality, but it sometimes still gets hazy and you can't really see anything, and it defeats the purpose of zooming in. They have this new feature now that's considered a magnifier feature where you can do that, and the quality of the subject or whatever it is that you're doing with it is supposed to be crisp and amazing still. So I'm really looking forward to that. I don't tend to use Zoom like that, but the few times that I do, it'll be really cool to be able to have that and see that picture quality. So all around, a bunch of really great and exciting camera features, especially because like when you don't have a physical camera, I do want to eventually invest in a real camera, like a physical camera. I've said that to Diego for years now, but they can get really expensive. And since I haven't been able to do that as of yet, this is the next best thing for me personally. So I'm really excited that camera quality is really up to par compared to other things like Sony, Canon, all of these things. So that's that. And I'm ultimately just really excited about the new phone in general. I don't know, things like this get me excited. So that's that. It does feel a little weird because, like I said, I got the Pro and my old phone was a Pro Max. There is definitely a big difference in the size, and when I'm holding this, like, I've only had it for a few hours because I literally just got it like 2 hours ago and I immediately sat down to film this. It feels so much smaller in my hands and it's kind of weird. I don't know how I feel about it. I am debating at this point if I want to return this one and get the Pro Max. It's not a huge deal, but like it's just out of comfort, I guess. So yeah, that's that. And all I need now is a screen protector and a case because I completely forgot to buy that when I pre-ordered the phone. But no biggie. I'm excited to do that and use this. And I can't wait for you guys to see some of the pictures and other things that we end up doing with it. This video actually took me a while to film, which is annoying, but I was supposed to actually get, right now today is September 30th. I was supposed to get the phone on the day that it dropped, which was last Friday, the 22nd or something like that. But there was an issue with UPS and my address and whatnot, which prolonged it to a week. Basically, tomorrow makes a week, which is really freaking annoying, but it's fine. Better late than never, I guess. And yeah, I'm sorry for the delay, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope that you enjoyed the unboxing. I may end up doing another separate video and updated what's on my iPhone because I really want to clean up the stuff that's on my iPhone, my apps and organization wise on it and whatnot. So let me know, drop a like, drop a comment if you guys want to see that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please always make sure to give it a thumbs up. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!